Best travel drones. Are you looking for the best travel drones? In this video we will look at some of the on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The DJI Mini 2 is an ultralight, foldable drone designed for portability and performance, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. Weighing less than 249 grams, it is compact and compliant with most drone regulations, allowing for easy travel and hassle-free flying. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal and a 4K camera, the Mini 2 delivers smooth and stable video recordings with stunning clarity. The 12MP photo capability ensures high-resolution stills, capturing breathtaking landscapes or detailed shots with precision. Its camera quality makes it suitable for casual photographers and videographers who want professional-looking results. The drone boasts an impressive 31-minute flight time per charge, allowing for extended exploration and filming. This extended battery life minimizes downtime and provides plenty of time to capture the perfect shot. The OcuSync 2.0 HD video transmission technology offers a reliable connection with a range of up to 10 kilometers. This ensures smooth, real-time video streaming and control, even at significant distances, making it ideal for capturing remote or hard-to-reach locations. The Mini 2 also includes QuickShots, a set of automated flight modes such as Drone, Circle, and Helix, that allow users to create professional-looking videos with minimal effort. These intelligent modes make it easy to capture cinematic footage without advanced piloting skills. In summary, the DJI Mini 2 combines portability, high-quality imaging, and user-friendly features. With its ultralight design, 4K camera, 31-minute flight time, and advanced OcuSync 2.0 transmission, it is a versatile drone perfect for travel, casual content creation, or hobby flying. Its robust features and ease of use make it a top choice in the ultralight drone category. Number 2. The DJI Mini 3 Pro, DJI RC, with the Fly More Kit Plus is a powerful, lightweight drone designed for both beginners and advanced users seeking professional-grade features. Weighing under 249 grams, it is portable and complies with most drone regulations, making it convenient for travel and outdoor adventures. The Mini 3 Pro features a 4K/60fps camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, delivering sharp, smooth videos and detailed photos. Its advanced imaging capabilities cater to creators looking for high-quality content, whether for social media, professional projects, or personal memories. The included Fly More Kit Plus extends the drone's usability with 2 additional intelligent flight batteries, increasing the total flight time to an impressive 94 minutes. This extended runtime allows for longer shooting sessions without frequent recharging, ideal for exploring and capturing expansive environments. Safety is a priority with the tridirectional obstacle sensing system, which uses sensors to detect obstacles in 3 directions, significantly reducing the risk of collisions. This feature enhances confidence, especially for beginners, and makes flying in complex environments easier and safer. The Mini 3 Pro also comes with intelligent flight modes such as Focus Track, Master Shots, and QuickShots, which simplify capturing dynamic and cinematic footage. The included DJI RC remote controller features a built-in screen, eliminating the need for a smartphone and providing a streamlined flying experience. In summary, the DJI Mini 3 Pro, DJI RC, with the Fly More Kit Plus offers an exceptional blend of portability, performance, and user-friendly features. Its 4K/60fps camera, 94-minute flight time, and tridirectional obstacle sensing make it a versatile and reliable option for beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts alike. Number 3. The DJI Mavic 3 is a top-tier drone designed for professionals and enthusiasts seeking unparalleled imaging and flight performance. Featuring a 4:3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, it delivers stunning image quality, excellent low-light performance, and dynamic range. The camera supports up to 5.1K video recording, ensuring crystal-clear footage with rich details, ideal for cinematic projects and high-end content creation. With a remarkable 46-minute flight time, the Mavic 3 allows for extended sessions, enabling users to explore and capture expansive areas without interruption. Its 15 km video transmission range ensures a stable and reliable connection for real-time video feeds, even at significant distances, making it a perfect tool for surveying, filmmaking, or adventure photography. Safety is a key feature, with omnidirectional obstacle sensing providing comprehensive coverage to detect and avoid obstacles in all directions. This enhances user confidence, especially in complex environments, and reduces the risk of accidents. The drone's advanced auto-return feature further boosts safety by ensuring a precise and secure return to its takeoff point. The FAA Remote ID compliance ensures the Mavic 3 meets regulatory standards for airspace identification, making it future-proof and ready for evolving drone regulations. In addition to its robust features, the Mavic 3 boasts intelligent flight modes, including Active Track and Master Shots, which simplify capturing dynamic and cinematic content. Its foldable design enhances portability, making it convenient for travel and fieldwork. In summary, the DJI Mavic 3 stands out for its 4/3 Hasselblad camera, 5.1K video resolution, omnidirectional sensing, and 46-minute flight time, offering an unparalleled drone experience. Whether for professional filmmaking, aerial photography, or advanced recreational use, the Mavic 3 sets a new benchmark in drone technology. Number 4. The DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo is a versatile and feature-rich drone designed for creators and hobbyists seeking high-quality aerial imaging and a reliable flying experience. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, it captures stunning photos and videos with exceptional clarity and low-light performance. The camera supports 5.4K video resolution, ensuring cinematic quality footage ideal for both professional and recreational use. Stability and precision are enhanced by the 3-axis gimbal, which ensures smooth and shake-free videos, even in dynamic flight conditions. With 4 directions of obstacle sensing, including forward, backward, upward, and downward sensors, the Air 2S prioritizes safety, enabling confident navigation in complex environments. The drone boasts a 31-minute flight time, providing ample duration for extended shooting sessions. The Fly More combo includes 2 extra batteries, significantly extending your time in the air and making it perfect for longer projects or travel. A standout feature is the 12 km 1080p video transmission, powered by DJI's advanced OcuSync technology. This ensures a stable connection and high-quality live feed over long distances, enhancing the user experience and enabling creative flexibility. Additional features include intelligent flight modes like Master Shots, Focus Track, and Hyperlapse, which simplify capturing dynamic and professional-grade footage. The compact and portable design makes it convenient to carry and deploy for a variety of scenarios. In summary, the DJI Air 2S Fly More combo combines a 1-inch CMOS sensor, 5.4K video capabilities, 31-minute flight time, and advanced safety features, making it a well-rounded choice for aerial photography and videography. With the added convenience of extra batteries and intelligent flight modes, it is an excellent investment for anyone looking to elevate their creative projects. Number 5. The Parrot ANAFI drone is a compact and versatile quadcopter designed for enthusiasts and professionals seeking high-quality aerial imaging with portability. Featuring a 4K HDR camera, the drone delivers stunning visuals with vibrant colors and impressive detail. The camera's 21MP resolution ensures sharp photos, while HDR video enhances contrast for lifelike footage, making it suitable for various creative applications. A standout feature is the 180 degrees vertical swivel camera, enabling unique shooting angles, including upward shots that are often difficult to achieve with standard drones. This capability makes the ANAFI ideal for architectural photography, inspections, or creative videography. Additionally, the 2.8x lossless zoom allows users to capture distant subjects without sacrificing image quality. The drone's foldable and lightweight design enhances portability, making it a perfect travel companion. Weighing just 320 grams, it is easy to carry and deploy, whether for professional tasks or recreational adventures. Despite its compact build, the ANAFI offers a respectable 25-minute flight time, supported by a high-density lithium polymer battery. Autonomous flight features, including GPS-assisted return-to-home and follow-me modes, make the drone user-friendly, even for beginners. The quiet operation is another highlight, ensuring minimal disturbance during flights in urban or nature settings. Constructed with durability in mind, the ANAFI is designed to withstand challenging conditions, while its intuitive controls and compatibility with the FreeFlight 6 app provide a seamless user experience. The app offers advanced settings and creative modes, empowering users to customize their shots. In summary, the Parrot ANAFI drone stands out with its 4K HDR camera, 180 degrees vertical swivel, and lightweight, foldable design. It is an excellent choice for those seeking a portable and capable drone for professional quality photography and videography.